Okay guys, I somehow pressed the power button of my mobile phone, so this is the part 2 of the process. Sorry for that. Okay, then now I have these two tighteners that was holding the hose between the air filter and the throttle body. So now you can remove the breather hose, that one, from the air filter. That is the breather hose, you can see. Okay, you can simply do it by hand, no special tools is required. The breather hose is out. Okay, now what you need to do is to remove that harness. First start with the fuel injector. I recall some guys managed to make numbers on each connector. Trust me, every connector will not fit the other one. That one will fit only in the fuel injector. Also, all these others will not fit in another place. So take it easy. Here is the second one, and this is the third one. Okay, in order to work freely, you may disconnect the fuel hose that joins the fuel injector. In this case, you need something like that. Okay. Okay. Now that one. work is very hard with single hand. I will remove this one and continue. Somehow need the light of my mobile, so maybe the picture is rotating by 90 degree upside, and therefore for the right, and then never mind, just keep watching. This is the hardest one. I'm working on this one. Okay. Now you are free to take the hose out of your way. Here is it. Remove the air filter. Now that one I talked about it earlier. Okay. It's hard to remove it by single hand. I will pause and continue. Okay guys, here is my air filter, and here is the starter motor. Remove that plug, plastic container or what else. ها هشت ایدش هست جای My mom has made coffee for me. It's nice in this cold weather. Now you have two bolts that hold, where am I? Okay, hold the starter on the engine. These are 8mm bolts. Remove these two bolts. By the way, this is the ground wire. Ground wire is attached to the 8 multiple bolts. So remove the bolts and you are clear to push the starter motor by this way from that area. The shaft is getting in here. This is the area where the starter motor is getting in. It reaches that area. Okay, so 10mm, 8mm, and action. There's the other one. Okay. Well, watch this. It's easy and simple. Here's it. Whew. The old one. Okay, I will pause the video and drink my coffee. Okay, here I'm back. In this part I will tell you something important. When you want to work on the Burgman or your skywave, you need to disattach that suspension lever or something, okay, from this bolt, so you can pull the seat higher than its usual position, so you can enough area to work on the engine. Doing this is done by a rope, so you put a rope in the handlebar and all the way here to this area. Okay. I'm waiting for my friend to bring the new starter motor, and we'll start part 3 of this repair. See you guys.